In this video, we will see how to move only the WordPress posts from one WordPress site to the other. If you are viewing my video for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the little bell icon to get notified when new videos are added. First, you need to export or download a copy of posts file from your WordPress site to your computer. And next, import or upload the posts file copy into the other WordPress site. So let's get started. Select Export tab under Tools in your WordPress site. Next, here on the right hand side of the page, you can select what you want to export or move to other WordPress site. You can move all the content, or you can move only the posts or pages, navigation menus, or even custom category posts. Here in this video, we will see how to move posts, so we can select posts here. Next, you can either select posts pertaining to all the category or just a specific category. Again, you can select posts by all the authors or a specific author if you have more than one author, and you can specify the specific date between which you want to move the blog posts. Next, you can select and move all the posts or only the published or scheduled or pending or private posts. Finally, click download and export the file to your computer. You can see here an XML file copy of the post downloaded on your computer. Now head to the WordPress site in which you want to move all your posts. In the dashboard, click Tools under Appearance tab and next select Import tab, as we need to import the XML post file exported from the previous WordPress site. Next, in the bottom under WordPress section, click Install Now link. Next, click Run Importer link, and again click and select XML posts from your computer and upload it. Here you can add new author or assign the posts to the existing authors. Finally, click Submit button and we are done moving all the posts to the other WordPress site. You can click All Posts in your WordPress dashboard to view the posts that you imported. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the little bell icon to get notified when new videos are added. Thank you.